Hello everyone, I'm coming with one more new video that is related to engineering students, especially when you're in the first semester. You will be having civil AutoCAD, or else the engineering graphics, or else the engineering drawing AutoCAD, right? So in this video I'm going to show you the AutoCAD basic settings, what you have to do before starting with the drawing. Okay, let's get started with the video. Before starting with the video, please subscribe to this channel. Your individual subscription helps me a lot to create more content and gives lot of motivation. Okay, I hope you have subscribed. Thank you so much. Let's get started with the video. And when you open the software, the window looks like this. AutoCAD window looks like this. So when you open this window, here you can see the two options. One is open and another one is new. So always you go with the new option. So when you click it on the new option, you will get this window. This is the window, or else the place where you are going to do the drawing. Okay, here you can see like some drawing tools are there, some of the annotations are there, and dimensions are there. In the next video I am going to explain all these things. In this video, just basic settings I am going to explain. And here you can see in the below, and there is a command bar is there. Here you can give the command to the software. Based on the command what you are going to give, it analyzes and it is going to perform the task. So here basically when it comes to AutoCAD, you have to do mainly 5 basic settings. In that, the first one is when you click it on the type a command, you move the cursor and just click it on that and type units. Type units. Okay, when you click it on the units, after entering units, just enter. Okay, you just enter. After entering units, you will get this window. Here you can see that here always the type should be decimal. Maintain the type should be decimal and precision should be 0.00. Precision should be 0.00 and always you maintain the units in millimeter. Okay, this is the basic setting. First setting you have to do it in units. Okay, once after these 3 changes, you click on OK. Okay, that is the first setting you have to do. After that, again you go back to type a command, or else the command box. Click over on that. Next setting is limits. LIMITS. Okay, limits, LIMITS. Type in a command box and press enter. Okay, when you press enter, it will ask for specify lower left corner. Okay, that means lower left corner means, if you consider this is the drawing sheet, so from where you are going to start a drawing. So this is the lower position corner and this is the upper position corner. So first we are going to give lower position corner as 0, 0. Just type 0, 0, then press enter. Okay, don't do anything, press enter. After that it will ask for to specify upper right corner. In that you specify 300, 300. Okay, 300, 300. After specifying that, again press enter. Okay, the limit has been set, and later on to see whether whatever the settings you have done till now, whether it is done or not properly, again you go back to a command box, click it over that and type Z, capital letter Z, then enter, then A, capital letter A, then enter. That means zoom. Z represents zoom and A represents all, zoom all. So when you click on Z, enter, A, enter, you should get this green line. Okay, if you are getting this green line means whatever the process or is the operations you have done till now, it is correct. Okay, if we are not getting this, that means you are doing it in a wrong way. So make sure that whatever the steps we have done till now, you have done it properly. Okay, this is the third settings we have done. And next one is dim style, DIM style, dim style. You just type DIMSTYLE in the command box, then press enter. So after that you will get this window or as the pop-up box. So after that you go with the modify option. Click on the modify option. When you click on the modify option, here you will get lot of like lines, symbols, text. Okay, when you go to lines, no need to change anything, keep as it is. Then symbols and arrows, here you can see arrow size, you change it to 5. Okay, arrow size you change it to 5, and here you can see that arc length symbol that you change it to above dimension text. Remaining whatever it is there, let it be, don't change anything. Then don't click on the OK, let it be as it is, don't click on OK. Then go to text. So always here you can see text style remains the same, text color also keep it as it is, fill color also keep it as it is. That means don't go with any changes. Then when it comes to the text height, change it to 5. Text height, change it to 5. And here if it is a text alignment, if it is horizontal, change it to align with the dimension line. Okay, that is the settings. Then again don't click on the OK button, go to fit, no need to change anything. Then go to primary units. So here unit format should be always decimal and precision should be 0.000. Other than that, no need to change anything, keep as it is. Then alternate unit also no need to change anything, tolerances also no need to change anything. So after all these settings, click on OK. Okay, click on OK. Then you have to go with the set current. Okay, don't click on the close. Next, after modify, then you have to click on the set current, means whatever the settings you have done now, so the current settings will get updated and it will get saved. Click on the set current and then close. This is the fourth setting you have to do. Then last and the most important setting is OSNAP, OSNAP, OSNAP. That is the last settings we have to do. After typing OSNAP, press enter. So when you click it on the enter, here you will get one pop-up box as the window like this. So all the, for example, endpoint, midpoint, center, these are the some of the snap modes. When you are drawing it, these are very important to draw the diagram, that is the drawings, correct? If it is off, for example like this, if it is any snap modes are off, it will not show you the like tangent, perpendicular, insertion, like that it will not show when you are drawing it. For that, all the snap should be on. For that you have to go with the select all option. When it gets selected all, click on OK. Okay, these are the basic settings, important 5 settings you have to do before starting with the drawing. Every time when you log into when you open this AutoCAD software, you have to do all these things, basic settings, every time when you go with the new sheet. Okay, I hope you have find good knowledge about the AutoCAD basic settings. Comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.